Welcome to weatherbriefings.com. Today is Thursday, March 7th. This is your update for Northern Illinois. Let's take a look at this morning's headlines. Cloudy conditions are expected for the next few days. We're kind of in between two systems right now, so we're going to be affected on the east and the west from some cloudy conditions from both storms. Rain chances will return on Saturday evening into Sunday, and we may see some snow mixed back in with the system on Sunday, with temperatures dropping back into the mid-30s. Looking now at our satellite imagery, we see some clouds off to the west there, but for most of our area here, maybe a passing cloud, but there's low-level clouds that are over us right now, and maybe some fog that appears to be eroding. We should see, again, maybe some slight clearing this afternoon into tomorrow, but then we'll pick up clouds increasing again on Friday evening into Saturday morning with this next system that will be moving in. Taking a look at our radar mosaic now, we see that there's nothing in terms of precipitation across northern Illinois or most of the western Great Lakes region. Maybe some scattered lake effect snow showers over in Ohio, but that has no bearing on us right now. Nothing off to our west right now either, so should have dry conditions for the next day or two before our next system moves in. Looking now at our temperature gradients and wind fields, we can see that a high pressure system will move into the area, which will keep our temperatures down some heading into the start of the weekend. But we do expect to see some slight warmth as a ridge does build in afterwards ahead of this cold front that's developing. We'll see move up to the maybe low 40s for a couple of days before this rain does move back in. Another thing to note is the development of this low pressure system in the Central Plains, and this will start to rise up Friday afternoon and into Saturday, and Saturday evenings when we should start to see it affect the northern Illinois area. One other thing I want to look at on this program here is our 500 millibar vorticity. This gives us a measure of how much spin is in the atmosphere. So you see in the beginning part of this period, not much going on in the central part, and that is associated with that high pressure system that is over the eastern part of the U.S., and that's also associated with the ridge in the pressure bars that we see here. But what to notice is in association with that low pressure system that does develop towards the weekend is this brighter colors that indicate there is some good spin that will be developing in the upper atmosphere, and this will give rise to the lower levels, low pressure, that will affect our area towards the end of the week. Now looking at our model data, we see that we start off with pretty dry conditions over the next couple of days here. Moving into Saturday, we see the development of the low in the Central Plains. This will start to move towards the east, and we should get rain starting Saturday afternoon into Sunday evening and Sunday morning. It should stay pretty much mostly as rain. Wisconsin could see some snow showers, and we may see a slight mix as this cold area moves into northern Illinois on Sunday evening, and so there may be some mix overnight there, but it doesn't look like any significant events will be occurring at this time. We will be keeping an eye on that, however. And then after that passes through, we will see another dip in our temperatures into Tuesday. And on the backside of the system, as it moves further into the northeast, there may be some residual moisture that does wrap around behind the system, and this could give us some light snow showers come Tuesday evening into Wednesday. I'm not expecting much in the sense of accumulation there. If anything, may just be some flurries in the area. But after that passes through, we do see another calming in the pattern. May have another increase in temperatures possible by next weekend before a new system does develop again off the northwest coast towards the beginning of next work week. We'll have to wait and see how our temperature line, our freezing line in the north here develops. If it moves further south, we'll have a better chance of getting some snow showers. If not, we may just see another rain event. So to recap, we'll see some cloudy conditions over the next few days, or maybe some clearing here and there, but I do expect the clouds to roll back in come Saturday, where we'll see our rain chances increase on Saturday evening into Sunday. Some snow may mix back in as that front moves to the east, as temperatures drop back down to the mid-30s, so some snow may mix in, but no accumulation is expected at this time. I'm meteorologist Jeff Nelson for weatherbriefings.com. Thanks for tuning in and have a great morning.